Allowed, sir, allowed.
Okay. Ashish, very fast that you are late. Already 10 minute waste. Okay. Uh, Good evening, student. This is a last joint lecture of 10th ABC. From tomorrow onwards, whatever the timetable given, subject wise, division wise, standard wise, that you have to obey, that I have to obey. So yesterday, that page number 52, 2.6, we have not completed. So we will continue. And anybody before that, you want to ask any question, first ask. Ask is anybody raise the hand? Yes or
No, sir.
no? Okay. So
No, no.
okay. So yesterday, all of a sudden, that meeting was ended. So that same I am continuing. Speed of boat. 2.67. Let the speed of boat be sorry. Speed of boat is given is 12 kilometer per hour. Let the speed of water is x kilometer per hour. That we have to find out. If both are in same direction, means down. So speed of boat is equal to 12 plus x kilometer per hour. Opposite direction, up direction, speed of boat 12 minus x kilometer per hour. Up distance 36 kilometer, down distance 36 kilometer. Total time 8 hours. 8 hours confirm. Speed of boat 12 kilometer. Speed of water we don't know. If both are in same direction, boat will get the help of the flow of water, so the speed increase. If boat travel in opposite direction of the water flow, it will be the difference of the both the speed. So direction, speed, distance, time. If same direction means down, speed is 12 plus x, distance 36, so 36 by 12 plus x. Speed is equal to distance by time, so time is equal to distance by speed. From that I have taken opposite direction, up direction, 12 minus x, again 36, 36, 12 plus x. And at that time, total time 8 hours. Correct? Now this plus this is equal to this. So according to that, we will solve. 36, 12 plus x, 36, 12 minus x. When there are three different denominator, at that time under one, the product of rest of two, that is your LCM. For this product of this two, 1, 12 minus x. For this product of rest 2, 12 plus x, 1. For this product of rest 2, this will multiply by this. So 36, 12 minus x. 36, 12 plus x. 8 and both the bracket. 12 plus x, 12 minus x. Don't multiply 36 into 12 minus 36x plus 36 into 12 plus 36x. Now what is this? 8 a plus b, a minus b means a square minus b square. A square means 12 square. B square means x square. Now 36 minus 36, 0. This and this 2 times. 2 times 36, 12 is equal to 8 times 144 minus x square. This goes down. So 4 za, 4 2 za, 4 9 za, 2 to get cancelled. 108 is equal to 144 minus x square. So x square is equal to 144 minus 108. So x square is equal to 36. Therefore, x is equal to plus or minus 6 kilometer per hour. But speed cannot be negative. So what we have considered x, speed of water. Therefore, any question then you can ask. Correct. Next. On 15th of October, especially it is a reading day on the occasion of APJ Abdul Kalam. We have arranged 2 programs. One that you can send a poem, speech, puncti, card, sketch. Secondly, there will be one quiz for all standard, all division. So I hope each and every student will take part. So those already who have prepared something, you post in your group. I will collect it, send it to the principal. But cooperate and take part. Next. Pintu takes 6 days more than Nishu. Compared to whom it is given, always that you have to consider. Compared to whom it is given, Nishu. Nishu can complete one work in X days. Pintu takes 6 days more. Therefore, Pintu can complete one work in X plus 6 days. Suppose X is 4. One work in 4 days. So in one day, 4th time of work. Therefore, Nishu can complete 1 by X work in one day, and therefore Pintu can complete 1 by x plus 6 work in 1 day. If this person one work can complete in 4 days, so every day he will do 1 by 4 work. If this person will complete one work in 10 days, so in every single day, 1/10 work will be done. So this capacity of doing work in 1 day, this capacity working in 1 day. So together they are working for 4 days. This is for 1 day. So in 4 days, they can complete 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 6. 1 day combination, both 1 day by this, 1 day by this, both. But they are doing 4 day together to complete one work. One work is completed, so this 4 goes down. 1 by x plus 1 by x plus 6 is equal to 1 by 4. This goes down. Again, person A can complete one work in x days. So person A can complete 1 by x work in 1 day. Person B can complete more 6 days, within more 6 days. So in one work this much day. So in 1 day, that much part. This is 1 day capacity, this is 1 day capacity. Both can do this much work in 1 day. Total, fourth time they can do the work, because 4 days together they are working, and whatever his capacity, together 4 days, 4 times when they will work, they will complete one work. So this 4 goes down. Now again, three different denominator. At that time, how to take the LCM? How to take the LCM? That is, under this product of rest of 2, 4x plus 6. Under this rest of 2, 4x. Under this rest of 2. This is the best method. Now, this into this into this in one a product. So finally 4x plus 6 plus 4x is equal to x plus 6. Now, as an experiment, I am using all the colors because which is clear that I can come to know. This is 4x. This is 24. 4x, x square plus 6x. 4 plus 4, 8x plus 24, x square plus 6x. So this x square plus 6x minus 8x plus 24 is equal to 0. So x square minus 2x, 24. From 24 we need 2, so 6 4s are. So minus 6 plus 4, that is minus 2, and 6 4s are 24. But something, this comes this side, so it becomes negative. So it becomes negative. So it is x square minus 6x plus 4x minus 24 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 plus 4 x minus 6 is equal to 0. So x minus 6 x plus 4 is equal to 0. X minus 6 is equal to 0. X plus 4 is equal to 0. X is equal to plus 6. X is equal to minus 4. We have considered number of days. So number of days can't be negative. Therefore, A means what, Nishu? x 6 days. Full work will be completed by x day into x plus 6. So 6 plus 6. Now, Ashish, 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 can you hear me? Ashish, anybody please reply which color is very much clear, red, green, blue, black, so that I will use more. Ashish, okay, so for the quiz and for this preparation, you have only 2 days. Okay, so for quiz, I want 100% participation, and for rest of the program, also you try your best. That what you can give, best of best, something different, something innovative. Okay, I don't want that regular Gisapita speech that born on this and got this achievement and the former president and all that. No, try to search something different. Next, 460 is divisible by a natural number. 460 is divisible by a natural number. Question is 6 more than 5 times the divisor and the remainder is 1. Question is 6 more than 5 times the divisor. 6 more than 5 times. Every position I have written. So find the quotient and divisor. This is quotient, this is divisor, this is dividend, this is remainder. Correct? So as per the formula, quotient into divisor plus remainder is equal to given number. So given number is 460. It is divided by x. This you will get 5x plus 6. Remainder you are getting 1. Always this into this plus this. This is multiply, this into this multiply plus this. This you will get equal. This into this plus this is equal to this. So like that you have to remember the formula. 460 5x square plus 6x plus 1. So 5x square plus 6x minus 459 is equal to 0. So 459 is divided by 3. Again it is divided by 3. Again it is divided by 3. 27, 17, 6, sorry 5, because this also we have to include. So 5, 3, 3, 45. This is 51 and the difference is 6. So 5x square plus 51x minus 45x minus 459 is equal to 0. What will be common? Nothing is common, only x is common. 5x plus 51. Suppose you want 5x, so you have to take 9 common. Common of common. X minus 9, 5x minus 51. X minus 9 is equal to 0. 5x minus 51 is equal to 0. X is equal to 9. X is equal to 51 by 5. Okay. So what they have given, it is a natural number. This is not a natural number. This is not a natural number. X is equal to 6. And divisor 5x plus 6. X 9. 51 nines are plus 1. You will get 460. Like that you can tally your numbers. 10 recently before one day I have done on board. Suppose you have any doubt, you can ask, no problem. And in between one day when I have started this 8th question, page number 54, at that time also meeting was ended. So this is also very good question that I want to repeat. Ashish, can you hear me, bacha? Somebody reply me. Hello? Hello? Where is Ashish? Are you hearing me or not? Tell me first. One very good question. Page number 54. It's the question. M minus 12 x square plus 2 m minus 12 x plus 2 is equal to 0. So under that, write ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. So what is your a? What is your b? What is your c? So your a, remove x square this much. Remove x square, so this much only. So that is m minus 12. Hello. X gone to this 2m minus 12. C means only the number. Okay. Now 4 constant steps that you have to write. It is given. Roots are real and equal. Therefore, delta is equal to 0. Therefore, the value of this formula of this is b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Therefore, b square is equal to 4ac. Again, equation is given. It is ax square plus bx plus c form. No need to open the bracket. It is in that form only. So, under that, write quadratic equation standard form. Then, by comparing with standard equation of quadratic, a is equal to this, b is equal to this, c is equal to this, and it is given roots are real, equal. So delta is equal to 0. Delta is equal to b square minus 4ac. B square minus 4ac, minus comes this side. So after 1, 2, 3, 4, whatever the question, not related to the question, when this is given, 4 steps you have to write. You have to write. Then here I will substitute b 2 m minus 12 total square 4 times. What is a? What is c? Correct. This is full bracket square. So square of this 2 to the 4. Square of this means I will write 2 times. So these 4 cancel. One bracket cancel. Don't open the bracket. Without opening the bracket, you can find the answer. See, very easily, if you will open the bracket, no steps will increase, quadratic equation will form. Again, you have to factor. Don't go for that. Okay. And ninth one is also, 10th one no need to do because that is cancelled. Sum of two roots of a quadratic equation is 5. Means alpha plus beta is equal to 5. Sum of their cube is equal to 35. We want sum and product, then only we can form the question. If, for example, here, if alpha plus beta we have something and alpha dot beta we have something, for example, A and B. At that time, what is the formula? X square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha dot beta is equal to 0. So x square minus x a plus b is equal to 0. Like that you can form the formula. So here they have given, so I'll write alpha plus beta cube formula. So alpha cube, beta cube, 3 alpha beta, alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta is given 5 cube. This is also given 35. 3 alpha beta not given, but alpha plus beta is given. So this is 125 minus 35. I have taken this side. 5 3s are 15 alpha dot beta. So this is 90. So 90 by 15 alpha beta. So it is 6. And alpha plus beta is equal to 5. So x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha dot beta is equal to 0. X square minus x alpha plus beta is 5. Alpha dot beta is 6. So x square minus 5x plus 6 is equal to 0. So you need the sum of two numbers and you need the difference of two numbers. You need sum of the two numbers and the product of two numbers, and then you have to substitute in the standard equation x square minus x alpha plus beta plus alpha dot beta. So in word problem, in this formula based problem, by drill work only you will get the grip. Otherwise, by reading, by observing in a live lecture, you are sitting like sitting in front of TV. No, your visualize power should be very strong. And see, people are very less. Suppose 5 to 10% student only are asking their doubts. Means we can conclude two things: either they know everything, or they are not doing anything. So, whatever you are facing any problem in algebra, geometry, science 1, science 2, regarding exam, regarding your syllabus, regarding 10th, anytime you can WhatsApp me, anytime you can ask me. Surely I'll help you. And from tomorrow, standard division A, B, and C separate timetables are given. According to that, now we